Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of WebScoot. I am Sakshi and I take care of marketing at WebScoot. In this video, we're going to discuss about different types of hostings and which hosting is right for your e-commerce store. I feel this topic is extremely important because we spend so less time understanding our website's need and its growth roadmap. In most cases that I've seen, store owners have very less knowledge about the difference in their hosting plans, and therefore, developing companies make their decisions on their behalf. And then it's you who has to spend time on customer care because of downtime issues. Not that their decisions are always wrong, but it is important for you to understand what is what. If you own a shared hosting plan, you must be managing every aspect of your store by yourself. Managing the entire website can be draining and you cannot focus on crucial parts such as marketing and sales. If you're a non-technical person, you will even struggle to keep your website up. You will need to deal with site updates, security patches, speed issues, and etc. Now let's take a look at the hosting plans available for you. The first one is, they say they are managed but they are actually unmanaged. The next one is semi-managed hosting. The third one is fully managed hosting. What I suggest for growing stores is go for fully managed hosting. You have seen people making mistakes and you don't want to repeat it. So, speaking from experience, you will have complete peace of mind and you can focus on sales rather than hosting. Here are a couple of reasons to understand why. Number one, faster speed. Managed hosting providers will optimize their servers according to your needs, your application, and the target audience. Some of the steps WebScoot takes are: number one, we run on AWS Cloud. Big brands like BMW, NASA, Netflix, Lamborghini, Sony, SoundCloud, Coca-Cola, Samsung, 21st Century Fox, Spotify, etc. run and migrate their workload to AWS. It is trusted and can handle large amounts of data. All our clients are running on AWS and it doesn't even have to be expensive. Most of them were able to cut off at least 30% of their costs by moving to AWS with us. For every client, we set up a prospective growth roadmap. Then we increase or decrease the resources depending upon their business requirements. The second one is advanced caching methods. First of all, let's understand what is a cache and how it works. A cache is a high-speed data storage layer. This stores a subset of data so that future requests are served faster by accessing the data's primary storage location. This process increases data retrieval performance. WebScoot performs 4 levels of caching. The first one is server level caching. The second one is page level caching. The third one is application level caching. The fourth one is static assets caching. Now, moving on to the third point is lower latency. What is latency? The time that is taken for a request to go from the client to the server and back to the client. Low latency means faster speed, and faster speed means better user experience. We strategically place your websites closer to the target audience to decrease network latency. Time to first byte or TTFB helps in faster page load. The next part is monitoring. Have you ever wondered how much you must be losing when your website is down? Let's say your store's revenue in the last 90 days is $40,000. The cost of hosting is $1,200. In the best case scenario, let's say in 3 months' time, your website was down for 3 days in total. This made you lose $1,306.67. Apart from the losses from cart abandonments, checkout issues, bounce rates, this can be minimized by the type of hosting you go for. So what does monitoring mean with fully managed hosts like WebScoot? We make sure your site is always up and running without any slowdowns. To achieve this, we perform 2 types of monitoring. First one is external monitoring and the second one is internal monitoring. Let's first talk about internal monitoring. In this type of monitoring, we take care of all web resource parameters. In this, we perform a comprehensive report of network usage, CPU, RAM, disk, etc. We perform server health checkups under this. This helps us to take care of any over-resource utilization or if any important processes haven't gone down. We quickly resolve the issue if there is any, and once the issue is resolved, we perform a basic health checkup for the server capacity. In this, we prepare a report about how we can manage it and how we can utilize the resources in the future. The next one is external monitoring. In this, we make sure the user is having extremely smooth and enhanced experience. The third one is web stress tester. It monitors how a web page performs under stressful scenarios. The fourth one is synthetic transaction monitoring. It takes care of the entire web page functionality. The next one is JMeter. This is API monitoring. The last one is quantity of users. It monitors how many real-time users can hit the website without causing any slowdown. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects, that is support. An e-commerce business needs to have 24/7 support systems. An e-commerce business never sleeps. So does the customers. Therefore, the biggest benefit of managed hosting is its 24/7 support. The next point is security. Do you know how many websites are getting hacked right now? Let's see. Shocking, isn't it? An up and running website isn't enough. You need to keep your store safe from malware, hackers, bots, etc. A hacked website loses its reputation. If customers are buying from your website and you store those bank details somewhere, it becomes your responsibility to keep that information safe. They can even sue you if anything goes wrong. One famous case where clients' details were exposed was Ashley Madison hack. This is a famous hack that led to a $578 million lawsuit. That's the reason most people prefer hosting that provides full protection. We offer different layers of security to our clients. This includes WAF or Web Application Firewall, automatic backups, regular malware scanning, and security patch management. If you want to dig deeper into the security part, I will link the video here and some resources in the description box below. The last one is scalability. Performing load tests, speed tests, planning ahead of sales, and everything related to growth is included in scalability. We automatically upgrade your resources without permanently upgrading your plan to help you with the traffic surges. By doing this, it helps in managing traffic surge easily, making sure you are not charged more than what you use, avoiding website slowdowns, and you can easily upgrade and downgrade your resources according to the website needs. In conclusion, a managed host will take care of availability. Is it up and running? Functionality. Is it working fine? Speed. Is it working fast enough? That's all for this video. I hope this helps your business in some ways. Let me know in the comment section below what you look for in a good host. If you have any need related to managed hosting, reach us at webscoop.io or email us at hello@webscoop.io. Thank you for your time. Good luck.